Thank you for digging my my gift up out of me.
Yes, ma'am. That's my gift.
Is Brother Ben here? Brother Ben. Now, Ben got a heck of a program. A lot of people listening to Brother Ben. And Ben tells them about the minister. And Ben tells them about the minister.
Yes, Brother Ben?
Now, what did you say you had a problem with? You said there are those who create books and they create these programs about what they've overcame. And you're like, man, I'm pretty sure I have something, but I just don't know what it is, right?
That's right.
Can you tell me about something big that you ever overcame in your life that you didn't think you was going to overcome? And you overcame it?
Something big. Good golly, Miss Molly. I can't think of anything. Something big.
Let me ask you this. What is something that you didn't think you was going to overcome in life and you overcame it?
Mm. I don't know if I ever thought that I would never become something.
What's something that would be a big obstacle to somebody else, but man, you was able to overcome it pretty good. You didn't even think that was an obstacle.
If it might not be that big, but the very first time I ever got laid off from a job was in 2007.
Mm-hmm.
And I had no clue what I was going to do.
Wow. You had no clue what you was going to do? How did that impact your life when you was in a position where you lost your job and you had no clue what you was going to do? How did that impact you mentally?
Well, it kind of locked me in a space for about a month before I started looking to see what I had to do to, generate income and get myself back in the world of work.
Now, during that month, emotionally, what was happening? Was you thinking about, man, what am I going to do? My goodness, how did I get into this? Like, man, do I do it? Do I start a business? Do I fill out a bundle? Was you kind of in a state of confusion?
All of that. I actually did start a business, which I played with it for a little while. It kind of gave me some money, but I also got a part-time online job. So I did things that I knew I had to do because you can't live without money. So, but it was. I went into survival mode basically. And it was mentally, it was something new, something unknown. I had never been in this situation before, and I couldn't think what to do. But I'm pretty resourceful when it comes to getting information, so I started digging into things, and I was able to get unemployment, get a part-time job.
When you say you're pretty resourceful when it comes to information, what do you mean by that? How did you use that during this time?
Well, I started researching and looking into what I could do, and how to do it and where to go.
Wow. So yeah. Where did you research? How did you even know what to research? Where did you go to find these solutions?
On the computer.
So what are some things that you searched?
Well, I first of all went to the unemployment site, because I didn't know what they would even have on there. And I found out, how to file for unemployment, job retraining, and then, of course, it was jobs that was also available, the interview process. All of that I found out on there. And then I started to think, well, do I want to go back to work? And so that's when I started looking to see what I could do for myself at home.
Was that unemployment able to help you out during that time?
No, not really. I mean, they did the retraining thing. You go there, and this is quite some years ago, so I don't know what it's like now. But you got the retrain, and of course, I live in Florida, so the first thing she did tell me: do not go south of County Line Road. If you don't speak Spanish, you won't get a job down there in Miami. So that was like a shock to my system for somebody to tell me I can't go down there because I won't get a job because I don't speak the language. There was a lot of new things that happened when I got laid off to me. And I think that was probably the one thing that had multiple things going on in my head. But then, like I say, I just decided, well, I can't sit there and do nothing. So I started to dig into things, see what I could get and everything.
Now, how many people do you know kind of like just give up during that time if there's something like that happen?
I'm pretty sure quite a few, because I actually met one of my coworkers some months after that. And they were homeless because they didn't know, they were born here. They didn't even know to go to the unemployment office. So, of course, I helped that person to know what I knew. But yeah, it's I see what you're saying though now.
So that sounds like you have a gift that maybe somebody else didn't have that led you to finding a solution, and it led someone else to being homeless. What's that gift?
God knows, because I don't.
Yeah, well, I think you didn't even think about it.
No, I never.
No, I think even just now, we just went through it and you just said the first thing came to your mind was, I don't know. You didn't even take a minute to think about it. It seems like you're trained to just say, I don't know. Let's think about it. So let's go back over the story. You were hit with an unexpected, hey, laid off. You in a state of confusion. I don't know if I'm gonna get a job. I don't know if I'm gonna do this. I don't know what to do, but I gotta make me some money. Oh man, I done went down there to the unemployment. I started researching. Oh, I became resourceful. Now somebody else who was my coworker, they didn't know what to do. Oh, they didn't research nothing. They ain't even know about the unemployed. And they ended up homeless. Let's pause for 40 seconds and see if we can find a gift within that. Without saying, I don't know.
Yeah. Brother Ben, I don't know what the gift is.
Without saying, I don't know.
Oh, for goodness sake. Oh, the gift.
What did you have that she didn't have?
I know the word. I just can't think of it.
What does it feel like?
Oh, goodness me. Okay, I don't know what the word is.
Okay. Just give us a synonym, something. Give us something. What does it feel like you had that she didn't have? Because she wasn't the only one now that was homeless. Oh, there's several other ones didn't know about those resources. There's several others didn't know how to research and know how to find it. So she wasn't the only one, but you had something in you that led you to that. What's that gift?
I don't know, intuition.
Say it again.
Intuition.
Intuition. Okay. Intuition. All right. That's a start. You got that. You had the intuition to do what?
to go and find out, to look into what I could do, to change my situation.
Now you use the word resourceful. What does that mean?
It means that I'm a person that can go and find what I need.
Oh, can everybody do that?
I know.
Oh, sound like a gift to me. Resourceful, that's a gift. Some people say, oh, I lost my job. Oh, my husband divorced me. Oh, my boss fired me. I'm through. I don't know what I'm going to do. But not Sister Rose. Sister Rose is resourceful. She knows how to research. She knows how to figure it out. She knows how to maintain those thoughts in her head that says, hey, girl, I don't know. It may be time to give up. Hey, you going to start a business or you going to go back to the job? Are you going, you learn how to navigate those thoughts and come up with a solution for you to survive. That's not a gift?
It is, because I've been doing it a long time.
Ooh-wee. Sound like I agree with you. That's a gift. So now we take that gift and how do we use that? See, that sounds like a story. You ain't the only one that got fired during the time in 2017, 2008. So when you say, well, these other people got stories and they got, they use that for their ebook. Well, there go your story right there. In 2007, I got fired. Just like others, I could have I could have just gave up on life. In fact, I found one of my coworkers a month later, and she was homeless. And the reason she was homeless was astonishing to me. She said she didn't even know about the unemployed. She didn't even know about this. To me, this was second nature to me, to begin to research and to immediately find solutions in X, Y, and Z. So I discovered this was a gift of mine. Something that was so second nature, I didn't even know it was a gift because I've been doing it for so long. Oh, and I've discovered that I can use that gift of being resourceful in so many areas, even in 2024. I can become resourceful on social media. I can become resourceful using AI. I can become resourceful helping people who don't know how to navigate social media. Because I'm going to be an example that I don't know how to use social media right now, but I'm going to become resourceful and research like I did in 2007. I'm going to become resourceful and go look at what they have available for me like I did in 2007. Right now, I am struggling. Oh, I'm struggling with knowing what to do first. I'm struggling with learning trading. Then I want to learn social media. So what I decided to do was become my first client. How can I become resourceful in my own life like I was in 2007? Maybe I'm not without a job, but man, I'm without clarity. Maybe I'm not without a job, but I'm without being clear. And from this day forward, I'm going to be documenting how I'm going to become resourceful and overcome my current problem. And I'm going to document my mindset. I'm going to document my framework. I'm going to document my strategy on how I was resourceful, and I'm finna start offering that as a consultation to other people. How to become resourceful when you're lacking resources. Oh, this sounds like a good book, Sister Rose.
Yes, sir.
Ooh-wee. How to be resourceful when you're lacking resources. Ooh. How to become resourceful when you don't have what you think you need. Man, you know how many people need that? How many people think they need a lot of money to make an ebook? They think they need a lot of money to start a business. They think they need a lot of money they think they need a lot of everything to do some stuff, and they don't even need it. You know why? Because all they need is Sister Rose to come in and show them how to be resourceful. That's your gift.
Thank you for digging my my gift up out of me.
Yes, ma'am. That's my gift. Yes, indeed. So how you feel now?
I feel pretty good.
Good. Now
I'm already thinking resourceful.
Okay, see, there we go. There we go.
Praise be to Allah.
Praise be to Allah. All right. That was my mission for tonight. My mission was for today was to make sure you don't leave not knowing your gift. So my mission has been accomplished. Anybody else have a question?